guys, welcome back to another episode of PNN.
I'm Cece.
And I'm Ashima. Hey Cece, do you ever wonder what bugs teachers?
Yes, I do.
Well, now we're going to get to see what that looks like with Leela and Rhea.
Hi, Coach Josh.
Hey Leela.
What's your teacher ick?
My teacher ick is when you guys come into our coach's office and touch all of our things, particularly our food and things we're gonna put our mouths on. When you get your germs all over us.
Yep.
And when you sit in my spot.
Yep, it's my spot now, Coach.
Wow. Wow.
I'm just trying to
Actually, I don't like is when students are not honest with me. You know, I'm trying to help them. It's like lying to your doctor. How can the doctor help you if you're lying to him?
Sawyer?
Yeah.
Have you been working on your essay or games?
Essay.
Don't lie to me.
I'm not.
Okay. Noah, how about you?
Essay? Why are you questioning me?
I will go to Go Guardian and see your history, and if you lie to me, you lied to me. And I hate that. That was very disrespectful.
My teacher ick is when kids don't push in their chairs after they leave. I do that a lot.
Bye, Miss Bear.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, this classroom's a mess. There's so many chairs out here.
Ooh, my teacher ick is when I'm walking around the room, checking on students' work, and I don't see any work, and I say, hey, where's your work? And they look at me like I've never said that before. Show your work.
Okay, class, what's the answer to 5 times 2?
Well, that's easy.
Good job, Cece. Christian, what are you doing?
I'm not finished yet.
Okay. Cece, can you show me the steps to this process? It's just 5 times 2 is 10. What's your explanation behind that? 5, 10. Cece, when are you gonna learn?
Is when kids have new shoes like Jordans and stuff and they don't want to crease them, so when they're playing sports at PE, they'll walk around real funny and they won't do a plank correctly and it looks kind of silly. Now let's see what that looks like.
Okay, guys, circle up. So today we're going to do the plank test. Whoever has the longest amount on a plank wins. Okay, when I say go, start. Get in your ready position. Ready, go. What is that? Your feet need to be together. Oh no, is it about your shoes again?
Thanks, guys. It's good to know what bugs the teachers so we can, improve.
Anyways, speaking of new teachers, we have so many new teachers at Paragon, and it's great to know what fun facts they can tell about themselves.
Now to Teacher Pass the Phone.
My name is Mr. Woofenden. I love to ride my bicycle all over Austin. Now I'm passing the phone to someone who loves Vikings.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Stubblefield, and a fun fact about me is that I have lived in England. And now I'm passing the mic on to somebody who teaches little munchkins.
I'm Miss Izzy, and I love cats, and I'm passing the phone to someone who is super helpful.
I'm Miss Petite, and my fact is I have 32 first cousins on one side. I'm passing the mic to the PNN crew.
Thanks, Miss Petite. It's so nice to know who the new teachers are.
Cece, do you sometimes get mixed up with the dress code?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
It's important to know what you can and can't wear.
Let's see what that looks like.
This is too low. You see, this is too high. Shoulders down. You see, this is just right.
Perfect.
Hey guys, is my mic on? Okay, let's talk about the divider really quick that some of you guys have noticed. If you're coming through the gym space to protect the divider and keep it safe, can you just do me a favor? Please don't step over it or lean over it unless you are this tall. Okay, right, Vivi? Right. Okay. So all you're going to do when you come through, guys, if the divider is out, please grab it from down here. Okay. Unhook it, come through, and then bring it back. There's 2 hooks, and hook it back for me right there. Thank you. If we ask you to put it up all the way up, you can do that. That's great. Just don't lift it. That's not going to help it. Just keep it low to the ground. Okay. So that we can continue to use these. And that's it. Thank you, guys. Thanks, PNN.
Anyways, that's all for today, Nights. Remember to work hard, play hard, and be kind.
Ooh. Hey, guys.
Wow, I did not know about that at Skirts. Hey Knights, welcome back to another episode of PNN. I'm Ashima. And I'm Cece. Hey Cece, do you ever wonder what